Designing an email campaign through Squarespace is now easier than ever. Our expertly designed templates can be customized and used for any use case. Intuitive editing capabilities and styling tools make it easy to create an email that will look great on any device. Start by creating a new campaign and selecting a template, by editing an existing draft, or even a sent campaign. From here, clicking on a section allows you to modify the design elements, such as color, font, and layout. Build on what you've already built by matching the colors, fonts, and logo from your website with the Apply Site Styles button. Your colors will be available in the color picker, and you can further edit your email design with your brand colors. Editing the header allows you to adjust your logo, and double-clicking the copy allows you to adjust the font size and make copy edits. Selecting an insert point allows you to create a new section where you can add text, images, a call to action button, or even import blog posts and products from your website. Adding new product releases directly to your campaign is a great way to boost sales. To replace demo images with your own photos, hover over an individual image and click the Replace button. To add additional images to a section, select the image and then click Manage and Add Images. To separate sections or add space to your design, use the spacer or line sections. Additionally, you can easily move these sections to create the perfect layout for your campaign. To wrap up your new design with a professional touch, consider editing the footer and add elements like social links, your site logo, or store policies. Lastly, add an email subject and preview text from within the Email tab before setting up your sender profile and sending your campaign out to the world. Take a look at our next video for more information on setting up a sender profile and best practices for avoiding spam filters. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.